Hey everyone, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you how our PO receiving module works within the Brahmin mobile app. So what I have in front of me is I have a PO numbers, I have product SKU codes. It's kind of hard to see here. So I have my product SKU codes. I have like lot numbers, serial numbers. So I have everything pretty much barcoded for me. So I want to show you that if you have things barcoded, you can actually use a barcode scanner. So here I have a simple barcode scanner I bought on Amazon for, I think this was like 20 bucks. You can buy, this is a wired one. There's also a Bluetooth one that we recommend. It's about $50. Pretty simple, as long as it connects to your iPhone, iPad, or even your desktop, you're able to just automatically you're able to just use it. Okay, so what I'm going to show you is I just wanted to show you the pre the stuff I have ready. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you on my phone exactly how you could pull it up on a phone. Again, I'm doing the demo on a phone, but you can actually do this on an iPad or just like regularly on a desktop as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to switch it over to my phone, and then we'll see how this works. Okay, so here I have my phone. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the receiving tab. So here, I also just quickly want to show you that here is a list of all my POs. What I can do here is either I can search, use my camera here, or I can use an actual scanner that is connected to my device already, right? So if you put your cursor here and then actually search, it's going to search by the PO, all right? Or you can actually just click away, not even focus on the search bar, and just scan a PO number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan that PO number 158 reference order number, all right? I scan it, automatically it's going to open up that PO for me, all right? Now I can start receiving the inventory. So here, what I could do is I could again search, scan via my. I can use my camera, or if I have again my Bluetooth scanner or my wired scanner, I can just scan the SKU number or the vendor SKU, and then it's going to pull up the item for me here. Okay, so here again, I can type in the location or I can use a barcode scanner, right? And then for the lot number, I'm just going to use this. So I'm going to tab down, lot number, and then here I'm going to enter the quantity. All right. I can also partial receive multiple lots. Let's say out of 150 grams, I decide to receive, it comes in two lots. Let's say it is 100 for the first lot. I can continue. It's going to ask me, hey, do you want to count more items for this line because there's more to be counted? So I'm going to say yes. And then again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan my location. I can scan my lot number here. Say it's a very different lot. Okay. And now I can receive the rest of the inventory. Okay. So let's assume that I'm going to receive partial. Maybe I've only received 30. I'm short by 20. You can continue, and then it's going to pop up and ask you, do you want to continue? Do you want to count more items? No, I do not. So here, what it does is it moves the line that you had into the counted section, and you'll see that the line is actually in a orangish color, okay? Or if it's in an orange-ish color, that just basically means that based on what the PO was expecting to receive, you've actually partially received. Okay, so I can actually go back here, and then any of the lines, I can see that I still have 20 more to be received just for that line specifically. Okay, so I'm going to come here and say, all right, well, actually, I just received 50 of this. Okay, continue, and now your counted section is essentially that line is going to be green. Okay, so now in order to complete the receiving, you just need to slide to complete the receiving, which will then basically mark this PO as received. Okay, all right. If you need to make any changes, again, going back into the counted, clicking edit, you can make the appropriate changes. Let's say the lot number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go for it. Continue. The lot number is updated as to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'm going to slide. Now my PO is being received. Okay. So now my PO is received successfully. If I go over to the fulfill section and let's pull up my PO 158, you will see that I've received 150 grams. Okay. I can also toggle between other warehouses here. So if I need to receive anything in a separate warehouse, I can toggle that. And here's my list of open POs in this warehouse. And here you'll see that the status is confirmed and in process. These statuses come in from the Brahmin system. In process means that it's been partially received before. Okay, so if I click on it, it's only going to show me the items that need to be received. All right, so here I have 3 lines. So I'm going to go into line 1. Again, I don't need to use a barcode scanner. I can actually just, type it in as well. All right, so here I'm going to enter a lot number and I'm going to enter 120. Okay, continue. Line item 1 is counted. Let's move on to the second one. This one has no tracking. Click that and we are going to receive this. All right, I just need to enter the location here. All right, continue. There you go. Let's say I just want to receive only those. I don't want to receive the last one. Slide it to complete the receiving. Okay, so I have now partially received and then the PO is still open. All right. If I have items with, let's say, serial tracking, what's going to happen is at the time of, it's going to ask you to enter your serial numbers. Okay. Unlike serial acts very differently than your regular tracked, like lot or batch tracked item, where serial number, if you have 100 items, you need to count 100 items or 100 serial numbers into the system. Okay. If you have 50, you need to count 50. Where for a batch, you can just add the lot number for a batch of 50. Okay, so here it's only 1, so it expects me to add a serial number. So I'm going to barcode scan a serial number here. Okay, click save and continue, slide to complete. Okay, so now I have successfully completed that PO. I'm going to go back into another warehouse here. Here I'm going to show you something with a much higher count. So here, all right, I'm going to enter in the location here. For serial numbers, it's expecting 16. Okay, with serial numbers, the main thing is as you add serial number, the quantity will automatically increase. So for serial number, there's no quantity increments. It's actually automatically done for you by you adding the serial numbers, because serial number is a 1-to-1. If I have 50, I need to enter 50 serial numbers. So here what I could do is scan away. Okay. So here I'm scanning a bunch of serial numbers. Okay. So I have 9 serial numbers. I'm just going to receive this partially. Click save, continue. Do you want to count more items? Nope. Done, completed. Okay, so that is a quick overview of receiving module within Brahmin. As soon as the items are received, they'll automatically be updated in the Brahmin admin app as well. And then if they're linked to accounting, all of the transactions in the back end, like moving average cost or QuickBooks transactions, are all done as soon as receiving is done. We actually go update QuickBooks, telling QuickBooks that this is the amount of inventory that you have received, and increment your inventory value. Okay. All right. If you guys have any questions, let us know. Reach out to us. Happy to get on a call or kind of guide you through the process. Thank you.